going, everyone? Today's going to be a quick video for ICP. Currently, the market has been in a downtrend, something that we identified back on the 17th of June. So we're not surprised to see the market in ICP trend down. However, the buyers did not show up at a couple of buy pockets that we identified, and that kind of tells us that this may continue to at least consolidate in the long term, or ICP will continue to trend down. So let me know your thoughts. Once I complete this video, you guys have an option of leaving a comment as to what you guys think is going to happen next for this particular cryptocurrency. And as always, make sure you guys hit that like, share, and subscribe for more videos and content, which we try to deliver here on a consistent basis. So now let's check this out. Price prediction was done on the 17th of June. Here it is. What's today? The 23rd of June. And you guys can see that the downtrend was definitely in play. 9.65% was tagged on the 21st. If you're still in the market right now looking for ICP to go lower, you're already up 14.32%. So let's go ahead and get rid of that. We will also get rid of these buy pockets here into the market for ICP. And as I zoom out, you guys can tell that those buyers, they decided to not hold this trend line right there and broke. Okay, so that again is a negative aspect for the potential of upward momentum for ICP. That kind of lets us know that the market, instead of it trending up, is going to trend down. So we're going to take that line and actually transpose it to what we have going on into the market for ICP. Okay, so this is a steep downtrend right now going on to the market in ICP. Market topped out on the 11th of June, and then just a couple of days later, we've seen the market bounce right there around $4.50. These two areas right here is going to be real important, which I told you earlier, we may see the market in ICP begin to consolidate within the trading range. So the market may consolidate within this trading range until it's ready to break out, or you may see the market in ICP trade within a range just to break down. Okay, so hopefully the long-term charts will give us that idea as to what the market is trying to do in the long term. So let's look at this on the monthly chart first. Okay, so just keep it real. The last couple of months into the market in ICP, it doesn't look too bullish. Price wasn't bullish for May, and also it is not looking too bullish for June. ICP on the weekly chart. Okay, so this is what happened last week. Boom, right there. Still looks pretty weak. The only thing that could offset this weakness is if these buyers hold these two buy pockets that we have on our chart. That's the only thing that's going to alleviate this market from ICP from going any lower. Okay, here it is on the 5. Take a look at ICP on the 4. Here it is on the 3. We have, what, 13 more hours left. And we're currently seeing this market bounce off of this buy pocket that was created around April the 7th. Here it is on the 2. Here it is on the daily time frame. Here's ICP on the 5-hour chart. We really want to see volume increase right now in ICP here. And we're currently not seeing that on the 5-hour chart. We're not seeing this volume really pop through to let us know that this market is becoming more bullish. You don't see it on the 1-hour chart either. You do see it a little bit right here, as a matter of fact. You can see it a little bit on these 1-hour bars. This one, see that volume come through, and then again on this 1-hour bar kind of looks bullish as well. So yeah, we got some at least minimal amount of buying going on into the market in ICP right now, albeit it doesn't look too bullish because we're not seeing any follow through right here on those 1-hour bars. Here it is on the 330. Okay, so all in all, I still suspect that the trend hasn't been broken to the downside yet for ICP. We're still going to anticipate the weakness. We're going to anticipate the market in ICP to continue to trend down, albeit we do recognize that there's still a potential for us to see the market bounce. Okay, but we're going to try to target this next buy pocket, whether at the high or the low. That's what we're going to look forward to in ICP there. Let's create one more sell pocket. Okay, so now first target is going to be around $4 in a nickel. That's like 10.9% there. And then our next target is going to be at $3.70. That's 18.5% market move to the downside in ICP there. So I don't know how long it's going to take for price to run down to these particular areas, but if this trend line isn't broken to the upside in ICP, then we kind of understand that the market is definitely leaning more towards the weakness and the sellers rather than the buyers and the movement up. So that's it. I'm done. Let me know your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.